Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. In this video, I am going to discuss about online shopping cart application using JSP. It is our abstract. Online shopping cart application is developed using JSP, which provides a virtual platform for users to explore, select, and purchase a wide range of products. This allows users to browse through a catalog of items and add product to their virtual cart and proceed through a simplified checkout process. The system also includes an admin module for managing product inventory and user accounts. The admin can also add, update, and remove product list, as well as the admin can also manage the user accounts. Key features of this project include user registration, product catalog display, shopping cart management, and order placement. This JSP-based online shopping portal replicates the core functionality of an e-commerce platform, which provides users with a safety and immersive environment to explore and simulate the online shopping process. It is our flow diagram. First, we see the admin module. First of all, the admin can log in with his username and password. After entering the correct username and password, the admin can send it to the admin dashboard. In this module, the admin can add new product details like category, price, product name, etc. Once entering the product detail, the admin can also edit and update the existing product information. The admin can also monitor the user accounts and the customer orders. After completing the process, the admin can log out. Now we see the user module. First of all, the user can create an account. After creating the account, the user can log in with his username and the password. After login, the user can send it to the user dashboard. In this, they can search product by entering the product category or product name. Based on the requirement, the user can add the product to their cart and buy product. After placing the order, the user can manage their order information. After completing the process, the user can log out. Now we see our output. First, go to the file and click the run. It is our home page. In this, you can view the product details. Now we see the first admin module. In this, the admin can enter their username and password. After entering the details, the admin can send it to the admin dashboard. First, we see the add product module. In this, you enter the product details. After entering the details, you can choose the product image and click the add product option. The product details were successfully added. After that, in this, you can view the product details. If you want to update the product details, means you may click the update option. In this, you can modify. You can click the update option. In this, you can see the if you want to delete the product details, means you may click the delete option. The product details will be successfully deleted. In this, the admin can monitor the order status. They can see the which product the user can buy, and they can also see the order status, whether it can be delivered or in pending. Admin can have the ability to change the order status. You see, They can also see the pending order list and a delivered order list separately, and can also view the customer informations. In this dashboard, NetMint can view the total number of customers, total number of orders they have, and the total number of product details. After completing the process, NetMint can log out. Now we see the user module again. If you are a new customer, you can sign up. After sign up, you can log in with your username and password. After entering the details, you may click the login option. It is the user dashboard. In this, they can search product by entering the categories. Based on their need requirement, they can add that product to their cart. These products can be viewed in the card module. In that, they can see how many number of products in your cart. In this, you can click the buy option and entering the quantity you need, and click the price amount and select the address type and select the payment mode. After that, they can click the buy option. The order will be placed. By clicking the my orders, they can view the ordered status. It is their order ID and how many quantity they order and which mode, and they check the status of order. If they don't want that product, means they can cancel their orders. After completing the process, the user can log out.